In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and customize a 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI. We'll go through a series of steps that will help you set up and personalize your chart to meet your needs. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Power BI Desktop. If you don't have it installed already, it's a powerful free tool for creating data visualizations that help you analyze and interpret data in various formats. Once you've opened Power BI Desktop, it's important to ensure your data is ready to be visualized. Preparing your dataset is crucial because it serves as the foundation for your insights. Now, it's time to import your data. Power BI allows for seamless data importation from various sources, so whatever format your dataset is in, from Excel to databases or even cloud services, you can likely bring it into Power BI. While importing, pay attention to any photos or images linked within your data. These can be useful for adding visual components to your reports. Power BI supports such elements, enhancing the storytelling aspect of your visualization. This flexibility can really make your reports come alive, providing a richer context. With your data in place, the next step is to create your 100% stacked bar chart. In the Visualizations pane, you will see a variety of chart options. You'll want to click on the 100% stacked bar chart icon. This type of chart is particularly great when you want to compare the proportional contributions of each part relative to the whole across categories. It's an efficient way to show percentage distributions and trends while maintaining a clean and straightforward visual layout. Upon selecting the 100% stacked bar chart, you will see a blank template appear on your report canvas. From here, you can begin dragging the relevant fields into the appropriate areas in the fields well, typically the axis and values areas. The axis is where you define the categories you're working with, and the values area is where you place the numeric metrics. Choose the fields from your dataset that represent these values best. If you want to refine the look of your chart, Power BI provides numerous customization options. You can modify axis labels, adjust colors to match your branding or preferences, and format data labels for better readability. These small adjustments can significantly enhance the impact and professionalism of your visual output. By following these steps, you should have a fully functional 100% stacked bar chart that can help you visualize and communicate data insights effectively. Remember to save your Power BI project so you can return to and update it as needed. Experiment with your data and chart settings to ensure your final product is not only informative, but also visually appealing. That's all for today's session, and I hope you found this guide helpful in creating your own dynamic visualizations in Power BI.